In the dynamic landscape of automotive innovation, Tesla has solidified its reputation as a pioneering force, revolutionizing the industry with its sleek electric vehicles and cutting-edge technology. While the allure of owning a Tesla is undeniable, prospective buyers must delve beyond the glossy brochures and comprehend the lesser-known aspects that may not receive the spotlight. Welcome, Tesla enthusiasts and potential buyers. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Tesla to uncover the secrets you absolutely need to know before making that life-changing purchase. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Charging infrastructure realities. Navigating the network. Undoubtedly, one of the most significant challenges of owning an electric vehicle is the accessibility and reliability of charging infrastructure. Tesla's extensive network of supercharger stations is an engineering marvel, yet its concentration in specific areas leaves gaps in coverage. For those residing in rural locales or lacking easy access to a charger, the convenience that Tesla promises may be more elusive, while the supercharger network is continually expanding. Aligning it with individual geographical needs remains a work in progress. Range realities. Beyond the advertised numbers, Tesla's advertised range is often a beacon of promise based on ideal conditions. However, reality can diverge significantly, especially when faced with adverse factors such as cold weather, hilly terrains, and sustained highway driving. Prospective buyers, particularly those in colder climates, should brace themselves for a potentially shorter range than what is showcased in the marketing materials. This underlines the importance of realistic expectations and a nuanced understanding of how external conditions can impact the performance of electric vehicles. Autopilot limitations. Navigating the semi-autonomous realm. Tesla's Autopilot system stands as a groundbreaking feature in the realm of semi-autonomous driving, offering advanced driver assistance in steering, braking, and lane changing. However, it is imperative to understand that Autopilot is not a self-driving system. Drivers are unequivocally responsible for the vehicle, and taking one's eyes off the road can lead to perilous consequences. This acknowledgement of its limitations underscores the need for a balanced approach, recognizing the advancements while emphasizing the driver's ongoing role in the driving process. Interior quality concerns. The minimalist aesthetic versus substance. Tesla's interiors are celebrated for their minimalist and modern design, embodying a futuristic aesthetic. However, criticism has been directed at the perceived cheapness and plastic-like feel of certain elements. Reports of inconsistencies in build quality, including panel gaps and fit and finish issues, have surfaced, prompting potential buyers to scrutinize these details during their evaluation. Balancing aesthetics with material quality is a subjective consideration, and individuals should weigh the visual appeal against their expectations for interior comfort and durability. Customer service challenges. The struggle for support. The customer service experience associated with Tesla has been a topic of varied opinions and discussions. Some owners have reported prolonged wait times and difficulties in securing timely assistance. However, it is essential to note that Tesla has made strides in recent years to address and improve its customer service experience. Transparency about potential challenges and a commitment to continuous improvement are crucial factors to consider when evaluating the overall customer support ecosystem. Financial investment. Evaluating the cost of innovation. Undeniably, Tesla vehicles come with a premium price tag, positioning them among the higher end of the automotive market. Even with government incentives designed to promote electric vehicle adoption, prospective buyers should conduct a thorough evaluation of their budgetary considerations. Assessing the financial commitment involves not only the upfront cost, but also ongoing expenses related to charging, maintenance, and potential upgrades. This consideration ensures that the decision to embrace Tesla aligns with the buyer's financial comfort and long-term financial goals. Not universally suitable. Tailoring the Tesla to your lifestyle. While Tesla vehicles undeniably embody innovation and sophistication, it is crucial to acknowledge that they may not be universally suitable for all lifestyles and geographical settings. Residents in rural areas, those without convenient charging options, or individuals requiring a vehicle for extensive long-distance travel may find alternative electric vehicle options better aligned with their needs. Recognizing the specific use cases where a Tesla excels helps potential buyers make a more informed decision, ensuring that the vehicle seamlessly integrates into their daily routines and anticipated usage scenarios. Additional tips for prospective Tesla buyers. Tip 1. Take a test drive. Experiencing the Tesla essence. Embarking on the journey towards Tesla ownership begins with more than a mere test drive. It is an opportunity to immerse oneself in the unique essence of driving a Tesla. Beyond the routine assessment of performance metrics, this experience delves into the intangible aspects that contribute to overall satisfaction. The silent hum of the electric motor, the seamless acceleration, and the intuitive interface of the Tesla infotainment system all play pivotal roles in shaping the driving experience. It's a chance to connect with the vehicle on a personal level, understanding how it aligns with individual preferences and driving habits. As the wheels glide over the asphalt, potential buyers can evaluate not just the responsiveness of the electric drivetrain, but also the nuances of Tesla's Autopilot system. Experiencing the semi-autonomous features firsthand provides insights into the balance between convenience and the need for driver engagement. The test drive becomes a holistic exploration, allowing individuals to envision how a Tesla seamlessly integrates into their daily routines. Tip 2. Consider the used market, unlocking savings and value. While the allure of a brand new Tesla is undeniable, exploring the used market opens up avenues for substantial savings without compromising on the fundamental benefits of Tesla ownership. The accelerated pace of innovation in electric vehicles means that even slightly older models often retain advanced features and performance capabilities. Thorough research and scrutiny of used models become crucial steps in this journey, with potential buyers benefiting from a more informed perspective on the depreciation rates, historical performance, and any potential wear and tear. Beyond the financial aspect, delving into the used market provides an opportunity to access Tesla models that might be less readily available in the new car inventory. This opens up choices for individuals seeking specific configurations or features that may no longer be in production. The used market, therefore, becomes a treasure trove for those seeking value, variety, and a potentially more sustainable approach to Tesla ownership. Tip 3. Read reviews. The power of collective wisdom. In the age of online connectivity, the power of collective wisdom shines brightly through the plethora of reviews and resources available to potential Tesla buyers. Delving into online platforms and reviews provides a wealth of insights distilled from the collective experiences of Tesla owners worldwide. Understanding both positive testimonials and constructive feedback contributes to a more comprehensive perspective on what it truly means to own and operate a Tesla. Aspiring Tesla owners can gain valuable insights into the long-term reliability, service experiences, and the overall satisfaction levels of current Tesla drivers. It's an opportunity to learn from a diverse community, tapping into the vast pool of knowledge and experiences shared by those who have already embraced the electric revolution. Navigating through a variety of perspectives enables potential buyers to form a well-rounded understanding of the joys and potential challenges associated with Tesla ownership. Tip 4. Talk to Tesla owners. Harvesting real-world insights. Beyond the digital realm, engaging in real-world conversations with current Tesla owners offers an invaluable dimension to the decision-making process. Practical advice, anecdotes, and first-hand experiences from those who have navigated the intricacies of Tesla ownership provide a holistic view of what to expect. This direct interaction allows potential buyers to ask specific questions tailored to their concerns and priorities. Conversations with Tesla owners can encompass a range of topics, from the daily charging routine to maintenance experiences and the nuances of living with an electric vehicle. Understanding the real-world challenges and benefits provides a level of insight that goes beyond what can be gleaned from online reviews or promotional materials. This personalized approach to gathering information ensures that potential buyers are equipped with a nuanced and realistic understanding of the Tesla ownership journey. By incorporating these tips into the decision-making process, potential buyers can enhance their understanding of the Tesla ownership experience. Navigating the path towards electric innovation with confidence and clarity becomes not just a choice, but a well-informed and personalized journey. And there you have it, the untold secrets of Tesla that could make all the difference in your buying journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow Tesla enthusiasts, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech. And as always, thanks for joining us on this electrifying adventure.